All right, everybody, here we go. Monday morning. Let's start with the first one where it said to list the factors, and it gave you 5 numbers that you had to list the factors of. And we're going to go ahead and identify whether they are prime or composite as well. So the first one, 15. The factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, and 15. Because it has more than 2 factors, this makes 15 a composite number. Next one, 19. The only factors of 19 are 1 and 19. Since there are exactly 2 factors, 19 is prime. 30. Lots of factors for 30. You should have put 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30, making 30 a composite number. The next one, 34. Okay, now pay attention because it's an even number, so that means 2 is going to be one of its factors. It's not going to be a basic fact that you know, but any even number has 2 as a factor. So your factors of 34 are 1, 2, 17, and 34. Hopefully you got that one. Making 34 also composite because it has more than 2 factors. All right, and the very last one, we have the number 40. So the factors of 40, we have 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, and 40, making 40 a composite number as well because it had more than 2 factors. Okay, remember anything that has more than 2 factors is going to be a composite number. All right, number 2, you had to round 74,952 to the nearest hundred, nearest thousand, nearest 10,000. So first, nearest hundred, I go to my hundreds place. There's a 9 in the hundreds place. I look next door, there's a 5. Because the digit to the right is 5 or more, that means this is going to have to go up. You should have changed it to 75,000. All right, the next one, when we round it to the nearest thousand, the 4 is in the thousands place. I look next door to the right, there's a 9. 9 is 5 or more. That means the digit in the rounding place, the 4, has to go up. So this is also 75,000. All right, the very last one, rounding to the nearest 10,000, 74,952 to the nearest 10,000. The 7 is in the 10,000s place. Look next door, there's a 4. 4 or less, let it rest. That means we're not going to change the 7. You should have rounded it to 70,000. All right, number 3, we are going to fill in the missing numbers to make these multiplication sentences true. And there's a pattern here. So 9 times 10 equals 90. So what times 10 is going to equal 900? 90. 90 times what will equal 9,000? You should have put 100. And the last one, 100 times what equals 900,000? You should have put 9,000. All right, number 4, you have to complete the table. This is an input-output table. So it goes in as 1, comes out as 5. Goes in as 3, out as 15. In as 5, out as 25. So there's a pattern here, 1, 3, 5, 7. But the rule is, what is happening to the number when it goes in to make it come out differently? So what happened every single time? The rule will stay the same. So you should have put multiply by 5. 1 times 5 is 5. 3 times 5 is 15. 5 times 5 is 25. 7 times 5 is 35. All right, the very last one for today, we are doing measurement conversions. We're going from meters to millimeters. Here's a hint. Milli means 1,000, okay? So 1 meter is equal to 1,000 millimeters. Okay, we want the answer to stay the same. So what multiplication did we do? Well, we took 1, we multiplied it by 1,000 to get 1,000. All right, so now we're going to do the same thing, but division this time. If we start with 3,000 millimeters, how many meters is that equal to? Well, we just found out that 1 meter is the same as 1,000 millimeters. So if we have 3,000 millimeters, that means we have 3 meters. 3,000 divided by 1,000 equals 3. All right, that's it for today. Hope you have a wonderful Monday. Be sure to email me if you have any questions about any of the lessons. Y'all have a great day.